Trump Legal Cases Daily Digest, January 17, 2024. Hello and welcome to News Media Hant's Daily Digest. This week Trump's legal calendar focuses on the Jean Carroll defamation case. Tuesday, main ballot disqualification appeal written decision. Wednesday, Colorado SCOTUS 14A, last day for Trump brief and last day for amicus curiae briefs. Thursday, probable D.C. Circuit merits decision in Trump presidential immunity. Friday, Maine 14A, last day for Trump notice of appeal filing to the decision of the Superior Court. Saturday. Stay tuned for more developments on these cases. The E.J. Carroll defamation case is underway. Trump's courtroom clash, accusations, threats, and a battle of words with the judge. Mr. Trump has the right to be present here. That right can be forfeited, and it can be forfeited if he is disruptive, which what has been reported to me consists of, and if he disregards court orders, Kaplan said. Mr. Trump, I hope I don't have to consider excluding you from the trial. Trump tossed up in his hands in protest. Close dialogue. Kaplan said to Trump, I understand you're very eager for me to do that. Trump said, I would love it. Kaplan countered by telling Trump that you just can't control yourself in these circumstances apparently. In yet another courtroom drama, Donald Trump engaged in a heated dispute with Judge Lewis Kaplan during his civil defamation case, marking the latest episode in a series of legal conflicts. The confrontation unfolded as the judge threatened to remove the former president for making comments audible to the jury while Jean Carroll, Trump's accuser, testified. This incident serves as a prelude to potential challenges in Trump's criminal trials, offering a glimpse into the tumultuous legal battles he may face while pursuing a presidential run. Simultaneously, Carroll recounted the repercussions of Trump's public statements about her alleged sexual assault, describing how they shattered her reputation and triggered a wave of threatening messages. As Carroll shared her distressing experience on the witness stand, the trial faced disruptions due to Trump's audible commentary, prompting Judge Kaplan to warn him about potential consequences. While Trump was not excluded from the trial, his social media and public response afterward highlighted the intensity of the courtroom clash. The parallels with previous episodes, such as his civil fraud trial with Judge Arthur Engoron, suggest that Trump's legal battles will continue to be contentious and closely watched. Tensions erupted between Judge Kaplan and Trump's lawyers. In a courtroom showdown, tensions flared between former President Trump's legal team and Judge Lewis Kaplan during the defamation trial against Trump brought by Jean Carroll. The discord reached a point where Trump's attorney, Michael Medallo, called for Kaplan's recusal, alleging a general hostility towards Trump and his legal team. Medallo argued, and there's also been a general hostility towards the defense throughout this case. However, Kaplan swiftly shut down the request, stating a firm denied. The clashes extended beyond the request for recusal. Trump's attorney, Alina Habba, faced rebuke from Kaplan when she sought to postpone the trial due to Trump's need to attend his mother-in-law's funeral. Kaplan, displaying impatience, declared, I will hear no further argument on it. None. Do you understand that word? None. Please sit down. Kaplan's stern tone persisted during Habba's cross-examination of Carroll, where he reprimanded her for procedural missteps, including reading from a transcript not yet entered into evidence. Kaplan's unwavering approach became evident when he asserted, we're going to do it my way in this courtroom, and that's all there is to it. The trial showcased a courtroom dynamic marked by sharp exchanges and Kaplan's insistence on maintaining control over proceedings. Jean Carroll testifies, Trump's statement sparked threats, fear, and a fight for justice. In a riveting courtroom testimony, Jean Carroll recounted the harrowing aftermath of going public about Donald Trump allegedly sexually assaulting her. Carroll described the immediate onslaught of threatening messages and the profound impact on her sense of safety. The civil jury last year affirmed the credibility of Carroll's allegations, and as she testified, she disclosed the chilling details of violent messages that left her fearing for her life. Carroll detailed the safety precautions she adopted, such as hiring security for both trials and keeping a gun by her bedside, along with the emotional toll these threats took on her. Her voice broke as she read a particularly disturbing email, illustrating the gravity of the attacks she faced. Carroll emphasized that the attacks began instantaneously after Trump's public statements in response to her 2019 story. She vividly described the multifaceted assault on social media platforms, news blogs, and private messages, portraying the stark contrast between her previous world of facts and the new universe of relentless attacks. During cross-examination, Carroll clarified the timeline, revealing that she received harassing messages before Trump made any denials. Trump's attorney, Alina Habba, sought to challenge Carroll's credibility by questioning the deletion of threatening messages, but Judge Lewis Kaplan promptly denied the motion for a mistrial. As the trial unfolds, Carroll's testimony provides a poignant narrative of the repercussions triggered by Trump's statements and the ongoing legal battle for justice. Maine judge temporarily halts Trump ballot decision, awaits Supreme Court's verdict. In a strategic move, a Maine judge has decided to defer a verdict on former President Donald Trump's ballot status, opting to wait for the U.S. Supreme Court's ruling on a similar case in Colorado. Trump's legal team, challenging Secretary of State Sheena Bellows' decision to remove him from the presidential primary ballot, requested the delay, emphasizing the potential impact of the Colorado case on their proceedings. Superior Court Judge Michaela Murphy, recognizing the parallel issues in both cases, asserted her authority to send the matter back to the Secretary of State, advising a pause until the U.S. Supreme Court provides clarity. The judge's decision aims to minimize potential destabilization and enhance predictability leading up to the primary election. Bellows, who determined last month that Trump did not meet ballot qualifications due to the insurrection clause in the 14th Amendment, became the first election official to bar Trump under this constitutional provision. With the nation's highest court yet to rule on Section 3 of the 14th Amendment, which restricts those who engaged in insurrection from holding office, legal scholars anticipate a precedent-setting decision. While Bellows is reviewing the judge's decision, the outcome of the Colorado case, scheduled for arguments on February 8, looms large over the entire controversy. Maine's move to delay the decision allows Trump, currently on the Maine ballot for the March 5 primary, to remain a contender until the U.S. Supreme Court's verdict potentially alters the landscape. Thanks for watching. If you like it, comment and hit the like and share buttons. Subscribe for future videos.